Hello guys, it's Brothers, and today I'm going to show you a certain design that I tried to come up with. So this is a model of a toothbrush holder, and let me try and make this object visible. So it looks like this. It's still a nice design. So today I'm going to show you how I tried to come up with this, and also how I did the rendering. So I also created a wall. Since this toothbrush holder is meant to be mounted onto the wall, as here is a hole, or you can use double-sided tape to hold it onto the wall. So basically it's around 110 millimeters. Let's confirm. From this end to this end is 110 millimeters, and also the height is roughly the depth is roughly 19, at least 19, or maybe less. Let's try and confirm the exact depth. See, it's 32 millimeters, so it's really a nice design. And this toothbrush model, I downloaded them from GrabCard, and I'll share the link with you in the description of the source of the toothbrush. And so I also tried to render this model. I went to render, and here is the render generated. So one is able to download the images, or you can even do another render for it. So you can I think this render is mostly similar to the one with Blender. The cycles render is a little bit different from the Eevee renders, and with my experience, according to me, I think it's really a nice tool here. It really produces quality renders, so we can wait and see the quality of this render. So maybe what you can do, you can go back to design, because it will take a little bit of time. Let me minimize this one, and now let's try to render without the wall. So it has some shadows. That's the problem, but it really comes out as a really nice render, and the quality is also nice. You can select the extent of your render, the quality. So for me, let me reduce it to here due to time, and let's see how it will come out. I think the quality will be a little bit lower compared to if I increase the this section up to excellent or final. So that's the quality if I press, but if I bring it to around external, the quality also increases. So this one can accommodate up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toothbrushes. So Fusion 360 has so many nice features, not only for assembly and also generative design, but it's also good for rendering, and also industrial design, and also product design, 3D artist. It can really be a good alternative to Blender, though Blender is much more specialized in 3D animations, and also uh, the Eevee rendering and the polygons. So basically they are both good in terms, but Fusion 360 is also very good for engineering design, for the assembly, making of assemblies and simulations, and most of all for generative design of it also, for example, in creating simple and but effective design while conserving the materials, and also very nice 3D printable materials. And also one is also able to export different, for example, you can export different files. You can export STL, then the .dwg, .xf, like those for AutoCAD, then .fpx. There's also the OBJ. This OBJ can be imported into Blender, and the STL can be the printable files, can print them, and also the SketchUp files. The SketchUp is mostly used for the architectural design, the interior design. So it's really this file, if you design using Fusion 360, it's really compatible with so many 3D software. So it's almost done with the render. So if you increase it to even infinite, it's really nice. It really comes out as a very nice render. So this is an example. Let me just open this to see the render that I had done previously, and let's see how it looks like as we wait for the other one to finish. So just see, it's really a nice, it's really come out really nice, the render, and you are also able to view different angles. Yes, you can see it, you can rotate it 360 degrees, and whichever angle. So sorry, this one I included with the wall. That's why it looks a little bit complicated, but for the one that I'm rendering right now, so you can also download it. Let me close and open it afresh. So it really tries to, it's like a turntable. It rotates all around, but let's close and see. So you can also render as an image here, and you can specify the pixels that you want, and also the aspect ratio, the exposure. Here you can also specify the image size, the megapixel. For the width, let's put it for 2000. Let's put it at 2000 and see. So that's the image that we want, and then we can now render. So it starts submitting the render, and it's trying to come up with a render of it, and you can see it here. It's here right now, and it's almost done with the render. When it's done, this clock, it's almost done. That clock has disappeared. The count. So if we expand this part, you can see them. You can see this image. This is an image. This is a turntable. Is the one that rotates around, and then this is also an image. So this is the third image. Then this is the one that is still going on with the rendering. Let's try and open the one that we are trying. This one. It's really nice. Yes. You can also change the appearance of these things, the colors. Let's try and change the colors of this one to a little bit of blue and see how it looks like. So you can try so many things. You can try different colors and see how it looks like. And well, that's it for now for today. So it's really a nice tool for design. For example, I have now placed the wall. So nice, really nice. Thank you.